Hey Trev, what's with the cape? Is it for Halloween?
Kind of, but we're also at the start of cough and cold season. So I've got this cape to demonstrate the importance of what I call the Dracula sneeze.
The Dracula sneeze.
The Dracula sneeze!
What's with the Dracula sneeze?
Well, I'm really glad that you asked. When you feel a sneeze coming on, what do?
I grab a tissue.
That's the move. But what if you don't have a tissue?
I cover my mouth.
With your hand?
Sure.
Oh, that just puts germs in the palm of your hand, which then spread to doorknobs, keyboards, surfaces,
Interesting.
tablets, pens, pencils.
Moving on, Trev.
Gotcha. So, how do you contain the sneeze and control the spread of germs?
The Dracula sneeze?
The Dracula sneeze.
The Dracula sneeze!
When you feel that tickle in your nose, if you don't have a tissue, you fold your arm across your face like a Dracula, wrapping himself in his cape, and you sneeze into the crook of your elbow. Thusly. That way your head's... Oh, caught me off guard. Anyways.
Are you okay? Trev, are you okay? Bless you? Bless you.
Whew. Sorry, I always sneeze in 14s.
That was 13.
The Dracula sneeze!
Fright This Way. We're back with a show on Disney Channel Halloween House Party.